next one we need to find dy dx when we're not given a point. So it's just basically finding the general formula for the derivative. So find dy dx for tangent of x plus y equals x. So I know that this one is defined implicitly because, again, I have tangent of x plus y in parentheses, so it's going to be difficult to solve for y. All right, my first step when I'm doing this is to is going to be to take the derivative of both sides. So it starts the exact same. So the first thing that we're doing is going to be to take the derivative. So to take the derivative. All right, so apologies. All right, so the derivative of tangent of x, the quantity x plus y, I'm using the chain rule here. I have something in parentheses, so I'm undoing the outside layer first. The derivative of tangent is going to be secant squared. So secant squared, and here it'll be the inside will stay the same, so that'll be x plus y times the derivative of the inside is going to be 1 plus dy dx. So 1 plus dy dx equals the derivative of x, which is just 1. Now, for this, because there's really only one giant term over here, I don't need to distribute out the secant squared. And instead, if there were multiple terms, I'd probably have to distribute it. We'll see that in class tomorrow. Instead, I just have to solve for dy dx. So my second step is going to be, hang on, sorry, it's freezing. So my second step, all right, we're just gonna do this by hand. Is going to be to solve. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both sides by secant squared. So I'll be left on the left side, I'll be left with 1 plus dy dx. And remember, dy dx is the same thing as y prime. And that's going to be equal to 1 over secant squared of x plus y. That's a little bit small. And next thing I'm going to do, subtract 1 from both sides. And I'll have dy dx equals, and the right hand side will be 1, sorry, equals the 1 over the secant squared of x plus y . and then I subtracted 1 over, so minus 1. Apologies, my computer started overheating because I did not pay for a great processor. We will go over more of this in class tomorrow. So from here, you're just going to complete those exit ticket questions at the end. I believe they're draw-its, and we'll review your results tomorrow.